Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And I had recently shared this piece with you that I bought at the Goodwill store. It still has the ticket. So I just paid 99 cents for it at the Goodwill store. So as you can see, it is a lipstick holder. It has a compartment for each lipstick, and then it has an extra compartment in there, right in there. So I want you to guess, what am I going to make with this? What am I going to use this for? What am I going to repurpose this into? There will be a creation coming very soon, and I wanted to give you a little glimpse of a piece that I'm going to use. So in the comment section below, please comment, what am I going to repurpose this into? So stay tuned for more, and thank you so much for watching.